Up for sale, I have a 1967 Caprice. Long time California owned. Lots of paperwork. 2 owner. Number matching 396, 325 horsepower. Factory loaded with factory AC, power steering, power brakes with front disc, 12 bolt power windows. Gonna walk around and tell you more about the car, show you some of the flaws, fire it up and then drive it. So if you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more. Like I said, 67 Caprice, finished in its original gold color. Beautiful, beautiful color, nice metallic in there. 14-inch red lines, rallies, the Firestone tires, all original chrome. So it's got a little bit of some marks on there. It's a 2-owner California car, so the car definitely saw some sun. Same thing with the trim up there. But it is a 1 repaint. There's like a chip there and another chip right there. I don't know what happened. But it looks to be more of a recent 1 repaint. Most 1 repaints usually are older, but this one's more on the recent side. A couple of flaws right there. It is a number matching 396, 325 horsepower. I will, if I can find where this opens, open for you. What the fuck? Here we go. This is the fully rebuilt number matching 396, 325 horsepower. We have tons of receipts for all the work done on the car. All the drivetrain was rebuilt. It is a factory turbo 400 car. Ow, I just hit my head. Power brakes, power steering, factory exhaust manifolds. Fully rebuilt, not spray painted orange. Motor's been out. Lots of receipts for the paperwork, the drivetrain. Factory AC. It's disconnected, waiting to be set up with the Freon of your choice. So that's all ready to go there. The underside of the hood, beautiful. I'll leave that open for now. Nice little trim lining on the door, protecting it from any chips that might come from getting in or out. You get in, now the majority of the interior looks to be in factory original condition. It is original, 95,000 miles on the car. It was in California from 67 until I believe 1989. Door panels are original, you know, a little rip there, getting in, touching it, rubbing it. Over time it breaks down. Like I said, a little crack there. All the windows do work, and they are power. This car is tremendously rust-free. The dash is very pretty. Radio works. Got these old school carpet mats in here. A little faded, a little yellowed from the years, but original to the car. Probably original carpet. There's no rips in the carpet anywhere. Horn works. A couple cracks in the steering wheel. Probably original. A few cracks in the dash pad. Original. California sun gets pretty hot. I'm sure we all know that. And then the beautiful patterned interior. And the front bench seat is in very nice condition. The fold down armrest. Nice seat backs as well. And the patterned rear bench seat. I know it's a little hard to see it. Seat belts front and back. This one's busted. It's got a broken seam there. And then there's a rip in the headliner back there. But the headliner is mostly in good condition. I know there's another rip up here. All the glass is in excellent condition. They're tinted windows. I have to assume factory tinted windows. The frame, the undercarriage, the floors have been preserved, being California owned, and are rust-free and highly detailed. Not nonetheless, I have pictures of it on the lift that I took. We did buy a lift, so pictures are available from it being on the lift. Frame, floors, 12-bolt rear, shocks, new bushings. So the underneath of the car has been completely gone through as well, to the one repaint and the full rebuild of the mechanics. Nice rear bumper, more than likely original again. A little bit of pitting here, not too bad though. I know that the first owner documented all the miles till the car left in 1989, and then it went to Minnesota where it was only driven, I'm going off the top of my head here, a little chip right there, 10,000 miles maybe, from 89 to just recently. So they did not put a lot of miles on it, but they did the majority of the work to it. So I have all the miles documented in a little booklet, all the receipts for the work done to the car. I got a little letter from the selling dealer to the first owner a couple of years afterwards saying, thank you for buying the car. You know, if you want to trade it in, you're welcome to. We have this, that, and the other thing. I forgot what year it's from. We have the Protecto plate. I noticed something afterwards, after the fact, on the passenger side door. There's like a little, I don't want to say a dent, a little dent right there, and a little indentation right there. Probably original sheet metal, but I just wanted to point that out after the fact. I saw it after the fact. Where is it? I just saw a little chip right there. Protecto plate. Some other original paperwork for it as well. Again, another original door panel. This one's in nicer condition. This is a little faded. It's not cracking though. All the power window motors do work. Again, nice rust-free. Again, here's the back seat here. The little material has ripped there. More than likely original. It will be up for sale later today. I'm just going to run through it real quick. Long-time California-owned, two-owner, 95,000 original mile, 396, 325 horsepower, number matching to the car. Turbo 400, a couple of chips right on that seam. Factory AC, power steering, power front disc brakes, 12-bolt rear, power windows. Factory loaded, nice cloth pattern interior, fully rebuilt drivetrain, one repaint in nice condition, not too many flaws as you saw as I walk around it. 14-inch, completely detailed underneath, rust-free, lots of paperwork. We're going to fire it up now and take it for a block. Oh, I also have the exhaust was stopped underneath, but I have new exhaust, new mufflers and exhaust that'll come out the back. So that's included. And I'll probably have a picture of that as well. If I do forget anything along the way, it will be in the description of the advertisement when it is available. So thanks for watching. We're going to fire it up now. Here we go. Number matching, 396, 325 horsepower. We're going to fire it up right now.